Tracy, and today we are diving into a question which is sure to add some interest to your photos. And that is, how do you create a starburst effect? Now, this video is part of my series where I answer questions which I often get asked during my photography tours. If you want to learn more about these tours, make sure you check out the link in the description. As you can see, a starburst effect can take your image to a whole new level, adding drama and creativity to your photos. First things first, to create a starburst effect, you need the right conditions. You'll want a bright, sunny day with the sun partially obscured behind some kind of object like a building or trees. This helps to create those stunning rays of light. Now that you've found the right conditions, let's talk camera settings. To get the sunburst effect, you'll want to use a small aperture, so f16 or even higher. I tend to use the highest f number that my camera will allow. This reduces the amount of light entering the camera and helps to create that sunburst effect. Composition is key. Don't just point your camera at the sun and start shooting. Think about how you can make your photo more interesting. You can use objects like tree branches, leaves, or even people to help frame the sun and add depth to your image. This will make your sunburst effect even more captivating. Timing is crucial. The best time to capture a sunburst effect is during the golden hours. So that is the hour after sunrise and the hour before sunset. During these times, the sun is lower in the sky, which makes it a lot easier to get that sunburst effect. Lastly, let's talk about focus. When capturing a sunburst, you're going to want to use manual focus. Your autofocus might struggle because of the intense light that is coming into the lens. So switch over to manual focus, and you're going to want to set your focus to infinity. This will ensure that the sun rays in your image are nice and sharp. Alright, there you have it. That is all my tips for creating a sunburst effect. It is all about having the right conditions, using the right camera settings, composing a beautiful image, being perfect with your timing, and making sure that your photos are in focus. So grab your camera, head out, and start taking some beautiful sunburst photos to add some sparkle to your portfolio. If you found this video useful, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to get more tips and tricks to improve your photography. If you have a burning photography related question that you would like to find an answer to, please drop it in the comments below and I will be happy to make a video on that for you. Thanks very much for watching, and until next time, happy shooting. Bye bye.